So I gotta do a couple oil changes. So for the Corvette, I already got the Mobil 1 oil with the AC Delco oil filter. For the Maserati, I like using the Pennzoil. I still gotta go down to the dealership and pick up the oil filter and the washer. And then for my pickup truck, Kitty, what are you doing? And then for my pickup truck, I use the Motorcraft with the full synthetic. So I like using the darn Kitty, you always following me anytime I'm in my garage. And then gotta do the Harley Davidson. So it's that time again for me to change the oil on the Corvette. I do them every 6 months, right up just about. And I use the Mobil 1 synthetic with the OE filter. So last couple times I've just been doing them myself, and I was able to get the filter, the OE, and the oil for just under 50 bucks. Saves me the trip down there. So I went ahead and got it raised up, and I lifted it up on all 4 corners. I got the extra jack stands I mean. So might as well get it at a even surface. That way the oil can drain evenly from the oil pan. Because I could have just done the front, but there could have probably been just a little bit of oil at the back of the oil pan if I had it at an angle. So I think it's a better way to just do it like this. So I might get underneath it, drain the oil, and fill it back up. Alrighty, so I got my oil filter wrench. On this one, I'm not able to use the ratchet with the socket because of clearance. So I'm gonna have to use a wrench. It's a 15 millimeter. So I got the oil draining. I went ahead and removed the oil cap so it drains a little bit faster. And I went ahead and pre-lubed the oil filter. The only oil filter I've seen that comes pre-lubed was the one on the Maserati. It already had some oil in it. It's just a good idea to go ahead and put some oil in there. Got it cleaned up, filter replaced. Alrighty, I got the oil change done, so all I gotta do now is get it off the jack stands. So that's one of the things I always like to keep up on this car is the oil changes, because it's my daily driver. Got 39,000 miles, and I'll keep on putting more. I even went ahead and bought extra oil just because it was on sale, and in another 6 months I'll go ahead and do it. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.